Greetings, everybody. This is your boy Mikey here, guys. And today is currently Today's currently Thursday, May 14th, 2026. The local time. The time is currently 6:24 p.m. local time. So today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. You probably tell. Tell us, dude. And yeah, that's right. We're going to be vacuuming the whole house with this. With my 2010, we're going to be vacuuming the whole house with the Dyson DC25 animal, made from 2010. It's about 16 years old now. I'm 19, so I'm pretty much 3 years older. I'm pretty much a few years older than this machine. Still runs. I haven't cleaned the brush on it since the last time I used this. I haven't been busy with other stuff on the house. I just cleaned the shark up. If you're wondering, I'll actually show you real fast. You can see I cleaned the shark. I cleaned it last week, about a week ago. Just a week ago, I took that bin and washed it because it was dirty. But it's fully clean now. The filters are clean now. Brush was fully clean. This thing gets hair tangled up around the brush more than the Dyson. The Dyson don't have that as much as that. And this machine, this power switch right here, keeps shooting out sparks every time I use it. I don't know why. Every shark that I've seen on every video of these I see, they do the same thing. I don't know why. These are recall. So I'm not using it for that reason. And also I just don't want to get it dirty. Especially the brush roll again. I don't want to have to clean it again because that was painful. But anyways. And this has a 25-foot cord. I believe the Dyson has a 25-foot. But that Dyson has a longer hose. So that's why I'm using the Dyson. Because I'm cleaned it also. Alright. If you have, by the way, just want to go ahead and warn you, if you do have headphones, I would suggest you turn them down before I turn the machine on, because this machine can get loud. This machine is loud, just to let y'all know. It's like 80-something decibels, I'm not exactly sure. But this thing has like a, how many amps is that? 120 volts, 60 hertz, 11 amps, so this machine has 11 amps. That pistol I got, that CleanView Revolution deluxe I got recently, has a 12 amp motor, but I still need to. It's still a parts machine because I haven't done anything to it and check other than taking it apart, if you remember, a few weeks ago. Anyways, let's get started. By the way, I have not emptied the bin if y'all curious. The bin is still full with. This was already in the bin last time this was after I used it last time. So I haven't cleaned this machine for a couple months. Eventually I will take the brush roll. The brush roll is thankfully easy to remove compared to the shark. So yeah, let's get started. Alright. Well, turn your headphones down. If you are using headphones, I would suggest you turn them down. 3, 2, 1, let's go. There you go. As you can see, my room looks way much better than what it was. I just cleaned it. I just cleaned this room just about 3 weeks ago. As of the video, as of now, as of the time recording this video. This room was just rearranged about 3 weeks ago and cleaned up. It looks way better than what it was, I'll say. Anyways, let's get back to that one. The brush will definitely needs to be cleaned up. Alright, now, it might be bearings, I don't know. I haven't used this for customers. It's not bad. Like 16 years old. This will definitely be better than this. This feels way better than that shark. That shark really wasn't frozen. This might have frozen. This might have been frozen. It's different. It does have a multiple, but mine still ahead. When I got this in 2023, in very late 2023, just over 2.5 years ago, it was missing the upholstery frame. It's good to kind of show it. Sorry for the lighting in the background. I'm just going to set y'all guys on it. I'm going to clean this part up. Despite this thing 16, despite this machine 16 years old, I'm older. I'm getting old. This machine like at least 5 years old. And this was made in 2002, right? Gonna find another outlet real fast. Thanks a second. Alright, found another outlet just outside the living. Anyways, when I took a look at the brush roll, I turned the brush roll in my hand when the machine was unplugged. Notice this. Listen to this. I'm gonna be quiet for a second. Y'all listen to this. I'm gonna not talk for a second. Y'all listen to this. Yeah, this is what the brush roll is like. Yeah, I understand it. Yeah, it does need a good clean. But yeah, the brush roll might need to be replaced because this is the region. I'm trying to say this. This is the original brush roll this machine has. It still has its original brush roll when it got. I haven't done nothing to it since I got it in very late of 2023. It's about 2.5 years since I got this, but it still works just fine. It can use a good clean, but it ain't that bad. But anyways, guys, this will do it for this video. I'll see you back in the next video, guys. Bye bye.